war go on, but the song not dropping the war right now. You know, that don't make music video, that don't do the war the right way. I'm gonna do the war the right way. So Reaction Boss is back in the effect with that video for you guys. Our song from Squash and Masicka is called 16 official music video. People, what? You know if I come with a mad and mean reaction, right? So watch the style, man. Let's chat things. You know, so you know war tells me to relax and make sure you pay attention to the video and analyze how really are going in the song. So like up the video, drop some comments. You see me, if you don't know what to comment, people, drop some 5 emoji in the comment section. We don't want 1 comment, we don't want 2 comments. 3 to 4 to 5 comments. Let's get straight to it though. Like the video so you get your comments to more people. You see me, I say, make all people know something I post. A lot of people don't know something I post video, so like up the video. Let's see me, I say. Alright, Squash, Masicka. Run it.
Money can't too much, so I'm greedy and gluttonous. I told y'all in my bed, me have a juggle. From a smile and a girl, I love bustle. Right?
Me not lie, no Squash. At this point, if how they come at a person, dog, you still just use AI. Me not go guy, but go on. Go on.
I told y'all in my bed, me have a juggle.
Yeah.
From a smile and a girl, I love bustle.
Yeah.
I'm a family, you my call cousin. Metal
yeah.
Mama said I got a couple, too much food for pocket. Who no watch it, that a duffel, that a one done. One done, now we no shuffle, no beggar.
People, don't smell that, dog. Don't smell that. His singer come in. I just tell ya. Ready?
Boy, up on me one, me believe myself. Fuck on no gal, on no vex, what do that for?
Yeah.
Cock it up quick, fuck it up, send it a Uber. Who no rain, who no fear, who no Jodas.
Couple of girl, fuck it up, send it a Uber. Hola, what you say? Hola. That's my his song. I'm them girl now.
Fuck on no gal, on no vex, what do that for?
Yeah.
Cock it up quick, fuck it up, send it a Uber. Who no rain,
girl, fuck it up quick, send it a Uber. Who no real? Go on.
Who no Jodas. Money so long.
Stitch them.
Figure the jewelry. Make it a freeze. Me reach them, I double Cuban. Stop at the bar, shell it out, fuck up a 2 gram. Reach out Jamaica, fly out, me there at Cuba. Yo, din we are the greatest thing. Key City one done me, I'm up here kingpin. Rifle, black a fuck, create be a same thing. Me got the
hey, Kels, big up yourself in the dark. If I pre-walk, go on in the dark. People don't know me have a picture with Kels. I mean, Kels dog, they get press on. Me that Blood, which part that? They put me Instagram, they put Tigress on Instagram. They shall go Atlanta. You want to go and show Atlanta so one day them man. Sheldon the show as usual. Go on, stop.
me there at Cuba.
Right, sit down.
We are the greatest thing. Key City one done me, I'm up here kingpin. Rifle, black a fuck, create be a same thing. Me got the Porsche and the Benz with the plane engine.
I'm going to go over them.
Them fear him still. Extortion money, boy, pay him bills.
Yeah.
Side van side, brother, be a gremlin.
What them say now?
Every fucking day, my name ring. Rich and blood clot face, enough for sailing things. See like it, cling, family.
The dad says, hype the fuck. Every day, man say name a ring. Rich and blood clot bossy. You know, listen what the dog say. The man should say hype. Listen. Every day, what?
Every fucking day, my name
ring.
Rich and blood clot face, enough for sailing things.
You not hear no man fuss. No man not get anything from me first. You just see me feel me had the big dog in this blood clot. Rich out!
Cling, family, same thing. Pocket them full, watch your limping, yeah. Matic them full, watch his spark, thin skin. Knock it out good, so we go on, grim. Oh, one place, then we run the fucking building.
Yeah.
Millions in the US, we are talking about. Hey, Squash man, I want some pussy.
We don't know.
I own a boy, wanna know me.
Yeah.
We shoot the man, them like a Kobe.
Yeah.
We run the place, so kill with
why should the man like what? Why should the man like what?
I own a boy, wanna know me.
Yeah.
We shoot the man, them like a Kobe.
Yeah.
We run the place, so kill with trophy.
I'ma do it, man.
Me stacking me, them
yeah, sweat.
I fuck your bitch and then me pose it.
What?
I carry my gun, come in, no know me.
What?
Honey chick, I'm in a slow fit. 1, 6, I 16, that in the bedside, yeah. Make the fucking money, me know of it. Boy, no get whip, but me wet up a boss way.
And this one, me can never understand the music business in the dark. The numbers thing, I don't feel the numbers thing them real in that. I feel the numbers things them just, he just Ford man want war. We're not talking about that tree much. Run through it.
Money me know of it. Boy no get whip, but me wet up a boss way. My fucking bad bitches mostly. Says she want lick it off. Ice cream cone me. Car tint. The door fly, what a story. A leg spread out, a head shell out. You know we get it fast. I never slowly and surely. Bad youth, all work for control me. I just pussy and money and murder. I just pussy and money and murder.
What? I see them like that's seven. Well, alright. So no, we take it back when you say a while ago. But up and take back again. But remember when Masicka and Tamale did I go at it? Yeah, I mean, so Tamale says 7 Saturday. But when else they expect Masicka to say 6? Me never know that. Me never know that, dog. But you know, I'm going through. Murder.
I'm say, pussy and money and murder. Left hands mucky mount a dump it on the burner. Can't broke again, pussy all I live for try to. Rich and bumbo clamp but in other world. When the pussy come have Tina Turner.
Yeah.
Never look for funds, we stand firm.
You that's say, gonna bring the pussy come have Tina Turner bumbo clot. Masicka. Jado star from high school is we still at that. Ready? Hold on, show.
All I live for try to. Rich and bumbo clamp but in other world. Y'all bring the pussy come have Tina Turner. Rich and never look for funds, we stand firm. Yeah, we put land round there so, horse round there so, matic pan belly, boss round there so. I own a boy, wanna know me. We shoot the bottom like a Kobe. We run the place, so kill with trophy. Me stacking me, them so my bossy. Me fuck your bitch and then my pussy. Me carry my gun, come in the know me. Honey chick, I'm in a slow feed.
Murder. I'm murder. Alright, chat. One thing about the song, chat. I know one thing about the in the comment section, people. I want to think about the war going right now. You know, somebody go live about the war yet, you know. You did me and say. I say try just making my YouTube videos, y'all. As y'all can see me, I rush for talk and I rush to do a bag of thing quick and fast. Doing damn what's the YouTube. You turn the camera, dog. You and your viewers, them dog, and them I go watch everything like that's just easy. But buckle yourself, no man. You hear me? Me I talk and I think about blood clot breed sometime, dog. But yo, I get used to the thing back again, dog. It's consistency is key. Follow me on TikTok at Tarek Reacts. You see me? So what's the clip? I'm gonna go crazy. You might not get the views I'm gonna get on YouTube, but over TikTok, video get 1 million views. And a clip from the video I'm gonna post on YouTube. So you don't chat already. Big up on yourself. Thanks for supporting the Reaction Boss. Thanks for supporting the Reaction Boss, and I'll see you on another video. Yes. I'm out of here, yeah.